Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to load Grammarly in Microsoft Word. To load and use Grammarly in Microsoft Word, follow these steps to install the Grammarly for Microsoft Office. First of all, go to Grammarly's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in app.grammarly.com in the URL box and log in to your account. After that, click on App section on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you will find Grammarly for Windows and an Install button on the right side. It may look like this. Click on the Install button and follow the prompts. If you have already installed and it is not working properly, you can click on Reinstall button and follow the instructions to install it once again. After you have installed the Grammarly application for Windows, log into your account. It will look like this. The application will say Grammarly is up and running. Now open up Microsoft Word. Wait for some time and you will see a green icon like this, which is of Grammarly. Start typing anything here and you will see the suggestions. So that is how you can load Grammarly in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.